Hi there friends and welcome to my channel. This is Grace and I am going to share with you the projects that I was able to create with my January Flavors of the Month kit from the ScrapRoom Kit Club. But before I move on, I usually do this at the end of the month to kind of show you the assignments that I created, as well as like extra projects that I made as well. But before I start sharing this, I want to give you guys some good news, and that is that I got the uh, the announcement from the owner of the ScrapRoom Kit Club, which is Rochelle, and she said that if you mention that you found the ScrapRoom Kit Club from me here in my channel on YouTube, that she will put an extra something in your first order from the ScrapRoom Kit Club. So if you subscribe to the monthly Kit Club, then and then you mention my name, Grace Tolman, and you found it through my YouTube videos, then you will get something extra from your package, which I thought was pretty generous of her, and I thought that was fun. So I just wanted to share that with you guys before I move on. So anyways, with my project, the first one that I created was my assignment for the sketch challenge, and this one uses the Simple Stories Freezing Season collection. This has a process video, so I'm not going to go into that. And I just love how festive it is because of all of the stickers that I was able to add to it. Okay, the next one, this is from Shimel American Crafts, and this one was my second layout, and this too has a process video. And my favorite part of this was when I kind of lifted some of the images from this paper and kind of brought them to life by cutting parts of them out and then adding them with some more with some foam adhesive to kind of make them a little bit dimensional. So that was fun. Again, this has a process video. And then my third one is a double page layout, and this one features the products from the Fancy Pants collection, and it's really beautiful. And my favorite part, of course, are these papers that are peeking out from the top. It's a combination of cut apart papers, also tags and die cuts. And it also features a foam word from the embellishment add-on kit. And then this one is my assignment for the recipe for this month, and this features the chili bean soup collection. You make me so happy. So that's and also it features the foam letters that's also on the embellishment add-on kit. My favorite part about this is, of course, the tags that I created using a die, and then also cutting the papers that were in the mini kit. Okay, so I didn't make any extra layouts for this month, but I did make 2 sets of cards, and there are 3 in each set. So the first one are these cards that I created using the papers from the Jelly Bean Soup collection, and also added some of the die cuts, and this part is from like a washi strip, and those are from the embellishment add-on kit. But I just thought that they just look so bright and really festive, and it reminds me of spring, and I can't wait for spring to come. Although we don't have any snow, so I can't really complain about winter just yet, but you know, you never know when you live in the Rockies. And then this one, I created it with the freezing season, and there are 3 cards in a set. And my favorite part of this was I was able to use the stickers and also the die cut shapes. And then this Winter Wishes one was actually part of I believe this one is just a paper that I cut out, and then I used that as my sentiment. I did add some Nouveau drops, gold ones, to just kind of give it a little bit more something, which is from my stash, but everything else was from the mini kit. This one also has the die cut and a tag. And then as you can see, I used this twine, which was a leftover from the twine that I used for my Pansy Pants design page. So that's that. I don't like to waste anything, so if it's on my table, it's gonna get used, and this is the last one. So those are all my projects for this month's Flavors of the Month kit. If you guys have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below. If you're ever interested in what Flavors of the Month kit is or what the Scrap Room Kit Club offers, make sure that you check the description below because it will have a direct link to the website. And again, if you subscribe to the monthly kit and you mention my name, then you will get a little bit or something special in your first package when it comes to your doorstep. And I will catch you guys another day. Bye.